Vijay Ghate and she is Shivanjali Ghanshyam Sathe. We both are from 5th standard. In last few activity, we have covered 5th part of speech like noun, pronoun, adjective, verb and adverb. So on today, 12 September 2024, we both are going to describe about preposition, which is 6th part of speech. Preposition means Shabdayogi अव्यय. Now, first we will see what is preposition. What is preposition? Definition of preposition. Preposition is a word that placed before a noun or a pronoun to show its relation to some other word in the sentence.
प्रिपोजिशन म्हणजे प्री आणि पोझिशन. प्रिपोजिशन म्हणजे असे शब्द जे कोणत्याही वस्तूची जागा दाखवतात आणि कोणत्याही नाउन व प्रोनाउनच्या आधी वापरले जातात आणि दुसऱ्या वर्ड सोबतचे रिलेशन दाखवतात. यालाच आपण प्रिपोजिशन असे म्हणू. लेट्स मी अन एक्झाम्पल. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, द बॉल इज अंडर द टेबल. इथे बॉल टेबलच्या खाली आहे. टेबल हे नाउन आहे.
अंडर या शब्दामुळे आपण सांगू शकतो की बॉल टेबलच्या खाली आहे आणि जर अंडर शब्द काढून टाकला तर वाक्य पुढील प्रमाणे बनेल. द बॉल इज द टेबल. म्हणून अंडर शब्द शब्दामुळे बॉल नेमकी कुठे आहे हे समजते. अंडर हे प्रिपोजिशन आहे.
Now we will see the three types of preposition. They are: first, preposition of place; second, preposition of time; third, preposition of direction.
Now let's do some practice activity. You want to answer me? First, the office start, dash and hour. The options: on, in, it. Tell me the preposition from the options. In. To fill in that from blanks. The correct answer is in. The sentence from the answer are as follow. The first, the start in an hour. Second, the spoon keep digest the table. Option: under, on, it. We can use on preposition. We can use on preposition which is sentence. So by this activity we complete the 6th part of speech. Hope so everyone know that. Thank you.